It's raining. I'm sure there was. I think it's in the. It's my drinks are. It's business mode.
This is a investor profile questionnaire. This is something that you do.
Money, money. Call me.
You can put it in.
Oh, it's not working.
Three.
Maybe 1, 2, 3. For New Year?
I'm excited for this.
So all these,
How much is that right?
that's $74, $75. How do I set? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know doon na like ko wala ka-upload. It's been 2 years. Like so many things has happened in life and nandiyan ko naka-vlog. Even though, you know, I did want to do vlogging, but again, dahil kinahitabo. So, as you can see, we gained weight. We got married, by the way. There's the husband. Yeah, dakan lang kayo nahitabo and wala na dyan ko ka-vlog. Yeah. So, welcome back. I don't know unsay content sa akong vlog or vlog. It's maybe a mixture of life. Kung wala lang. Life in Canada, charot. Basta kung kiba kung mag-Bisaya, kung mag-English o mag-Tagalog, bahala na. For me, it's just a creative outlet na wala lang. Edit kunuhay, romanticizing life kunuhay, char, murag, way dagang trabaho. Pero sige lang, well, for 2025, I'm gonna i-manifest na we're gonna be richer, we're gonna be skinny, we're gonna be better versions of ourselves. Charot. Not just like financially or physically, but overall body, mind, and soul. So, manifestation. So, yeah. So, before going to JSDI, we're just gonna pick up Eggy's parents and Ariane. So, because it's quite far. So, one ride lang. Yeah. happy baby. Why are you guys on the floor?
What is that?
Talaga. Hey, Maya.
Oh, si Yona.
Yun na ako. Ito po gawa ni wife ko ni Aguilar. First kami
Ring! Bro! It's like a Neanderthal. It's like... Water!
Have you eaten balut before?
I love the chicken. This is my first time trying this one.
Alright, and then we put the vinegar